In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the sent sound in Gmail. First, a quick clarification that saves a lot of time. Gmail on the web doesn't actually play a sent sound of its own. If you hear a chime when you send an email, it's coming from your browser's notification settings or your computer's system sounds. So the fix is to quiet the browser or the system, not Gmail itself. Let's start in Google Chrome. Open Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and choose Notifications. You'll see a list of sites that are allowed or blocked. Look for Gmail in that list. Typically, it appears as mail.google.com. Select it and turn off the sound for notifications from that site. Depending on your version, this may appear as a toggle or a sound option within the site's notification permissions. Once sound is off for Gmail here, Chrome won't play a chime when a Gmail notification appears. If you're using Microsoft Edge, the path is similar. Open Settings, go to Cookies and Site Permissions, and select Notifications. Find Gmail, again listed as mail.google.com, open its permissions, and turn off sound for that site. This keeps Edge from playing a notification sound when Gmail updates in the background. If you've muted notification sounds in the browser and the noise still persists, it's likely coming from your operating system. On Windows, open Settings, go to System, then Sound, and choose App Volume and Device Preferences. In the list of running apps, find your browser, Chrome, Edge, or whichever you're using, and move its volume slider to 0 or hit mute. This mutes just the browser sounds without affecting the rest of your system. Keep in mind that while it's muted, any audio or videos in your browser will also be silent until you turn it back up. On a Mac, open System Preferences, select Sound, and go to the Sound Effects tab. Uncheck the option labeled Play User Interface Sound Effects. This stops those brief system chimes, which can include the sound you associate with sending. Note that this is a system-wide change, so other interface clicks and alerts will also be quieter. That's it. By adjusting the site-level notification sound in your browser or the system sound behavior, you can eliminate the sent sound without changing anything inside Gmail. Choose the option that fits how you work and enjoy a quieter inbox.